Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to unravel the mystery of a term that might be unfamiliar to many of you, the Cccam server. If you're scratching your heads wondering what that is, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a good grasp on the concept. So, what is a Cccam server? In the simplest terms, a Cccam server is a card sharing protocol. Picture this: you're at home browsing through your satellite TV channels, but suddenly you find that some channels are blocked or need a paid subscription. Quite annoying, right? This is where a Cccam server steps in. A Cccam server allows multiple users to share the access to a paid TV subscription. It employs a special card that can decode encrypted TV channels. Once inserted into the server, this card's information is shared over the internet, thereby granting you access to those paid channels. Now, you might wonder, how does this all work? When you connect to a Cccam server, it communicates with your satellite receiver, sending decryption keys to unlock channels that you would otherwise not have access to. So instead of each user purchasing an individual subscription, a single valid subscription card is shared among several users via the server. All you need is a satellite dish, a receiver, and an internet connection. However, it's crucial to stay within the boundaries of legality when using Cccam services. While many use them for legitimate purposes, always be aware of your local regulations. If you're in search of a dependable and secure Cccam server provider, QloudHost is a top-notch choice. QloudHost not only assures stable and fast connections but also provides round-the-clock support to ensure your service runs flawlessly. Their servers are optimized for high performance, so you won't have to worry about lags or interruptions while enjoying your favorite channels. Moreover, QloudHost ensures the best uptime in the market and guarantees that your data remains private and secure. Whether you're new to Cccam or a seasoned user, QloudHost is the go-to choice for all your Cccam server needs. That's all we have for today's video. Hopefully, this has shed some light on the concept of a Cccam server and its workings. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might find this information useful. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more enlightening videos like this one. If you have any questions or need more details, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. Also, feel free to suggest topics for future videos. Thank you for watching and we'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye for now.